starting our chapter 3, that is fibers to fabrics. Okay. First, the thing that is there is that we all need clothes. Yes, to wear. We wear clothes according to the season. Okay. In winters, we wear woolen clothes. In summers, we prefer cotton clothes. Yes. So it is our basic need. Okay. So, but in the previous years, in the as we can talk about the earlier human beings that live in forests, they don't wear clothes. Yes, they wear bark of trees, skin of animals. Yes, but with the development, the clothes are weaved, knitted, and then we get the cloth. Yes, so these are very important to us because clothes help us to save to keep us warm during winters. Yes, and it also there are some clothes also that save us from rain. Okay, for example, raincoat. We wear raincoat during the rainy seasons, na? Yes. Okay, so now there are so many clothes available in different varieties that are there. So how it is made? We will discuss how the clothes are made, from which it is made, from which we get it. Okay, now I am sharing my screen. Okay, then we will do activities also. Okay, so first is please mute yourself, Jasmine Kaur. Please unmute all the students. Okay, students. The first thing that we will talk about is activity 1, variety of fabrics. Okay, we wear different types of clothes. Yes. Harshpreet, what are the different types of clothes that we wear? Please. Jayabanga, you know the answer? Yes. Ma'am, please unmute Sargunpreet Kaur.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sargunpreet, what are the different clothes, type of clothes that we wear?
मैम यहाँ पे है नहीं सरगुन, शो नहीं हो रहा नाम। कौन सी आईडी से उसने किया है ज्वाइन? सरगुन।
सरगुनप्रीत।
मैम वो नेम यहाँ पे शो नहीं हो रहा मेरे पास।
ओके मैम, अनम्यूट एनी अदर वन, अदर स्टूडेंट को कर दीजिए फिर।
राशेष परमार।
यस, राशेष। Yes, students, what type of clothes that we wear? Name any? Your voice is not clear.
Cotton clothes.
Yes.
Woolen clothes.
Yes. Cotton, woolen, silk, rayon. There are so many clothes that we wear. There are so many types of it. Okay. Firstly, we will see. Now proceeding to the activity 3.1. Activity 1, visit a nearby tailoring shop, collect cuttings of fabrics left over after stitching, feel and touch each piece of fabric. Now try to label some of the fabric such as wool, silk, synthetic after asking for help from the tailor. Okay, what you will do? Okay, students. So I'm showing you this. It is a piece of cloth, okay, that I have also obtained from any waste cloth at my home. Okay. So what it is made up of? You can see there are threads are coming from it. Yes. You all are able to see. So this whole fabric is made up from these tiny strands. These tiny strands. Yes, these tiny strands that are very thin are called fibers. Okay, these are called fibers. All are able to see it? These are very thin. Yes, from this a whole fabric is made. Yes. Now, next term that we are going to learn is yarn. What is yarn? For example, it is a simple thread. Okay, it is very thin. Yes, what will I do? I will rub its one corner like this. You can also do it against any table. Okay, what is happening? So many strands are coming from it. Are you able to see? Okay, from a single thread, that is so many threads are derived again. Yes. So what is this? A yarn. How is yarn made? A yarn is made when so 2 or 3 fibers are twisted. You are seeing that it is twisted. You are seeing the curls. Yes. So these, when the fibers are twisted, then it forms a yarn. Okay. What is fiber? Fiber is a single strand. Okay. When the fibers are twisted, then it forms a yarn. From this yarn, then we made a whole fiber or cloth. Okay. Sorry. What we made from that yarn, fabric is made. Okay. Firstly, fiber is a single strand. When the single strand, that is fibers, are twisted, then it forms yarn. Okay. Then the yarn forms a fabric. You're getting my point? So then the cloth. Then what is the difference between cloth and clothes? Okay. When we are talking about unstitched, it is not stitched. Okay. It is a very small piece of fabric that I'm using. When we can use it to form many types of other clothing. For example, we make shirt from it, from a trouser from it, then it is cloths. then we use the term cloths. But when it is unstitched, then it is cloth. You are getting my point? Yes. So the same activity one that you have to do is, yes, Avni? Ma'am, please unmute Avni. Any problem?
मैम वो आपकी आवाज कट रही थी.
Okay. Now it is clear. From fiber we make yarn, and then from yarn we make fabric. Yes. Now it is clear to all? Yes. Now. So what we have learned is, what are fibers? Fibers are very thin strands. Okay. What are fibers? Fibers are very thin strands. What is yarn? When the fibers are twisted to make a long thread, then it is called yarn. Okay. Now, this yarn is used to make a material which is called fabric. So, what is fabric? The material that is made from yarn. Okay. We made so many things from this fabric. We make clothes, dresses, curtains, carpets. Yes. Now, the next thing that we have discussed is cloth. So, what is cloth? Cloth is a unstitched material. Yes. So, how you define cloth? Cloth is an unstitched piece of fabric. Yes. So, what are clothes? Garments that we wear like shirts, pants are called clothes. Yes. Now, these three terms are clear to all. Okay. You will give me answer now. Chahat. It is a piece of fabric. Yes. I am removing threads from it. What do you call it? The threads. Yes. Ma'am, please unmute Chahat.
Ma'am, yarn.
But it is a single thread.
Yes.
What is a single thread? What do we call a single thread?
Fiber.
Yes. Then the fibers are twisted to form a
Yarn.
yarn. Then from yarn, what we made?
Clothes.
Yes. What we made from yarn?
Clothes.
Sorry, your voice is not clear. Please pay attention to the class. Okay, what we are doing. Javish, from yarn, what we form? Yes, from yarn. Very good morning.
Ma'am, from yarn we form fabric.
Yes, we form fabrics. Yes. So, you will also do an activity. Activity 1, you have to collect the cuttings of the fibers. Okay. And then you will paste it on your notebook. But only when I told you. Okay. When I will tell you. Not before that. Okay. I am telling you, you start collecting the clothes. Okay. When I told you, then you will paste it on your notebook. So next, coming to the picture is visible to all. From fiber, what we made? Yarn. From that yarn, we made fabric. So there are so many types of clothes that are there. For example, cotton, silk, wool, and jute. Okay, now we will study from where we are getting this. Okay. Now, next, coming to the next slide. So these are the fibers that are shown. Okay, there are two types of fibers. So the two types of fiber is natural fibers and synthetic fibers. What are natural fibers? The fibers that we obtain from nature, okay, are called natural fibers. Yes. So these are again categorized into two types, plant fibers and animal fibers. Okay, what are plant fibers? Plant fibers are those fibers that we get from plant. Okay, so these are the fibers that we get from plant. The next type is animal fibers. The type of fiber that we get from animal. Okay, plant fiber कहाँ से मिलता है? हमें plant से मिलता है. ठीक है, for example, cotton and jute. From where we are getting cotton? Cotton plant. Yes, and from where we are getting jute? From jute plant. ठीक है. Now next is animal fibers. For example, wool and silk. Wool we are getting from so many animals. For example, sheep. Yes, goat, yak. Rabbits also gave us wool. Give us wool. And from where we are getting silk? We are getting silk from silkworm. Yes. So silkworm, on which leaves the silkworm is rare? Anyone knows? I will tell the answer. Yes, I'm seeing so many hands that are raised. So the leaves are mulberry leaves. Yes. Wool we are getting from the fleece that is here. We also call fleece, it means hair, of yak, rabbit, camel. There are so many sources, so many animals that give us wool. Okay. So activity 2 that we have done in the starting is select a piece of cotton fabric that I have selected also. Now try to find a loose thread or yarn at once on the edges and pull it out. So what we have done, we have pull one yarn from it. Yes. So the fabric is made up of yarns that are arranged together. And there is a question also, what are these yarns made of? These yarns are made up of fibers. Yes. There is one thing that I want to show. Just 1 minute. Okay. Where is cloth? What is the difference in this cloth is that it is a single fiber. Okay. When I separate it, it doesn't separate into the other yarns. Okay. Therefore, I am calling it a fiber. Okay. I have tried it to differentiate between the other fibers also, but it is not possible at this time. Okay. Means के इस फाइबर के आगे और ज्यादा मैं नहीं इसको डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. ठीक है. So it is a single fiber. Okay, I have shown you the example of yarn also, that it is a single yarn in which so many fibers are made. Okay. Now difference is clear to all. Is there any confusion? Raise your hand. I will clear your doubt. Only then we will proceed further. Otherwise we will not. Yes, Sachit, Anmol, Navalpreet. Jasjeet. Okay. Mansi. There is no doubt. Okay, students. Now, activity 3 that we have done. Yes. So, the thin strands of thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands that is called fibers. Okay, these fibers are that we are deriving from either natural or that is plants and animals. Okay. So wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. It is also obtained from the hair of rabbits, yak, and camels. Yes, silk fiber is we are getting from cocoon of silkworm. I will clear your term cocoon. What you will do when you have to take rest, you will आप एक blanket ले लेते हो अपने ऊपर. ठीक है. So in the similar way, when the larva of the silkworm also want to take rest, what it do? What happen, Anmol? Yes, what happened?
The screen is not visible.
Okay. So now I am visible. Yes. Okay. Now what we are going to read is yes. So we have differentiated between the natural fibers and synthetic fiber. Next term is synthetic fiber. What is synthetic fiber? The synthetic fibers are also called artificial fibers. Okay, that is prepared by man. Okay, either it is prepared in factories or industries. Yes, these are called synthetic fibers. Okay, these are formed by a chemical substance. These are not obtained naturally. Okay, the man synthesized it. Okay, and it also made a fiber that are called synthetic fibers. So what is the definition? The fibers that are made by a man in factories or industries. are called synthetic fibers. For example, rayon, nylon, and polyester. There are so many examples. Okay. So where I am discussing about